She wants.
Welcome back. Today I'm going my nighttime hair routine. As you can see, I cut my hair lower than what I had before in my past videos. I recently cut my hair. It's been about a week, and this is what it looked like. And I'm pretty much wolfing for about 3 weeks until it's time for me to go back to school, and then I'll be getting a new haircut. Not new, but another haircut. So I'm just gonna be showing you my nighttime routine. First, I have this Magic Wave curved brush. It goes for about $8, and then my silk do-rag. I got a pink one, and I just have this conditioner that I'll be using for tonight. So first, I pretty much just brush through my hair. I usually brush for about 5 to 10 minutes. But I'm really just focused on this top part of my hair, not really the back, because I'm not trying to get 360 waves. I usually have it tapered in the back, so I don't think it really matters. So then I'll get some hot water and then just brush through. I got my hair cut pretty low when I first got it, so it's pretty hard for me to lay my hair down. But yeah, I brush with some water. The previous clip, you can see that I put conditioner in my hair. Pretty much did that just to have some moisture. I usually put grease, but I'm not gonna put grease because I just washed my hair, and I'll probably wash it tomorrow or Sunday. So I'm just gonna be putting conditioner. I brush my hair pretty hard just so I can get it like pasted down, and then when I just hurry up and put my do-rag on, pretty much starting at the crown and brushing like that. And no, I'm not a professional waver. This is just what I know how to do. I just care about my top. So yeah, just brush for about 5-10 minutes, and then I just put my do-rag on. So this is what it looks like before. My hair will usually most likely curl back up, as you can see. It goes slowly, and then it'll curl back up. And so I sleep with my do-rag on pretty tightly. That's what it looks like before. Alright, I'll get my do-rag. Make sure you separate them like that. I just tie it. I have long nails, so it's hard for me to tie it. I usually tie my cape up, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't feel like it right now. So that's my nighttime hair routine. Comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Any helpful tips? I'm open to all. Alright, so it's morning time, and I figure I might as well just show like what I did to my hair in the morning. So I'm about to just take my do-rag off right now, because I'm about to take a shower, so I was like, I might as well record. I want that video to be longer anyways. So this is what my hair looks like in the morning. So yeah, I just brush. I need to wash my hair because I'm gonna color it red again for New Year's, but I'll probably just do it Monday. But I know because I have conditioner in here. I don't really need to put any product, but I'll just put a little bit of grease. Because more than likely, I'm gonna put my do-rag right back on. Yeah, I just pretty much brush. It's after I brush for a little bit, I use the Sporting Waves. You can get this at your beauty spot for $2.99. So I get a little bit of this, like this much. Then I use another grease though, so I can get my hair to grow a little bit faster. Hopefully it works, but I've been using this. This Super Grow Oil, and this was $1.99. Looks like this. So I use this, so I won't have to go for so long, but and then I just brush some more. Before I got started on my waves, I seen a lot of people, it's like the key to it is really brushing, and then another part was brushing with water, and then the moisture and stuff. So the main key to it is brushing, basically to train your hair. I think mine looks pretty good since I only have, well, I've been doing it for about a week. It looks pretty good to me. Can't wait to get my design again. It mostly grew back, but it was a heart. I can't really see on side. Yeah, just keep brushing. And then I'm gonna put my do-rag back on. I was thinking about getting a design. I'm probably gonna get a design on this side too. I don't like having it plain. It was cute, but I'd rather have like two. Or probably just a line right here, like go right there. And then get my heart back on this side. I think it's really cute. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just usually put some grease on there. Most people use grease at night, but most of the time I do both. But yeah, I just be brushing, keeping it moisturized. You know, everybody's hair type is different, so you need different things to get your waves. So this is mine after brushing. I'm not brushing for 5 minutes because I'm gonna be brushing my hair throughout the day. So I don't think it's really necessary. That's pretty much it. Then I get the do-rag back. Let me brush this back a little bit. I don't be brushing right here. Because I'm not really trying to get 360, so I don't really care, but I'm still brushing. Just a little bit. I forgot I should have put my seam up last night when I recorded the first part, but if you don't want like the line going down the middle of your head or whatever, it goes on your waves too. Then put your do-rag on with the seam out or up, whatever. So yeah. Tie that on. I'm just gonna tie it anyway because I'm about to put something else on my head while I'm in the shower. I don't think I tied my cable last night. I'm about to, because I don't like it being on my neck. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what I do most mornings, especially if I'm going somewhere. I try to keep my hair laid down for as long as I can. So yeah, that's it. Hope y'all
money, so I hustle. This ain't fake. Watch Buster, please don't try me. I might cut you. Cash get crazy when you touch her. She wear chains when she fuck it. Get her charms, cause she